Fluent English Practice.
Good morning, world. Oh no, it's already 7:30. I'm late again.
Emma, wake up. Breakfast is almost ready.
I'm coming, Mom.
Late again, sis? You should set 10 alarms.
Don't tease me, Jake. You only wake up because Mom practically drags you out of bed.
That's true. Both of you are the same. I should get a medal for waking you up every day.
Let's all calm down. It's a beautiful morning. Let's not start with a competition about who sleeps more.
Morning, Dad. What's in the news today?
The usual: politics, weather, and people arguing online.
That's why I prefer my morning tea and silence. No news, no stress.
Grandma, you are the smartest one in this house.
Breakfast is ready. Toast, eggs, and some fruit.
Smells amazing. Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome, dear. And please, no phone while eating.
Okay. Family time.
That's the spirit. So, what's everyone's plan today?
I have a group project at college. We are meeting at 10.
I have soccer practice in the afternoon.
I'll water my plants and maybe make my special dessert later.
Oh, your coconut pudding? Please do. It's everyone's favorite.
Only if someone helps me later.
I'll be at work, but I'll rush home early if pudding is involved.
Deal. But only if I get the biggest piece.
It's a deal. Jake, have you seen my notebook?
Maybe under the sofa? Everything ends up there.
Nope. Oh wait, it's in my bag. Found it.
Here, lunch for both of you. Don't forget it this time.
Thanks, Mom. You are the best.
What did you pack today?
Sandwiches, apples, and a surprise.
I love surprises. Cookies. Yes.
Hey, not now. That's for later.
Classic Jake.
All right, everyone ready? I'll drop you both on my way to the office.
Let's go. Team family.
Have a good day, my loves. And don't forget to smile at people.
We will, Grandma. Love you.
Love you too, dear.
Grandma, your coconut pudding smells heavenly.
Thank you, dear. It's an old family recipe. Learned it when your dad was little.
He still loves it like a child.
Some things never change. That's the magic of family. Recipes, stories, love, all passed on.
I'm home. We won the match.
That's wonderful. Congratulations.
Oh, my champion. Come here. You must be starving.
More like dying of hunger.
Wash your hands first.
Done. So what's for lunch?
Leftover pasta and salad.
Yum. And pudding later?
Patience, young man. Good things take time.
That's what you always say, Grandma.
And I'm always right, aren't I?
I'm home too. Today was exhausting.
How was your project?
Good. Our presentation went really well. My professor even said, excellent teamwork.
That's my girl. I just came home early. Perfect timing for dessert.
See? The smell of pudding brings everyone together.
I love evenings like this. Everyone's home, no rush.
Yes, it's peaceful. I made tea for everyone.
Can we play a game after tea? Maybe charades?
Charades? I'm in. But remember, I'm the reigning champion.
Not for long. Team girls will win this time.
I'll join whichever team Grandma is on. She's our secret weapon.
Oh, me? I don't even remember the rules.
That's what she said last time, and then she guessed every word.
You know, sometimes I forget how lucky we are to have evenings like this.
True, everyone's so busy nowadays, but family time keeps us close.
Yeah, even small moments like watching TV together feel special.
Especially when there's pudding involved.
You really love that pudding, don't you?
More than anything in this world.
All right then, pudding first, game later.
Agreed.
Today was awesome. I love family days.
Me too. Even though we were all busy, we still came together.
I think that's what makes us strong. We never forget each other.
You are right, little brother.
You know, watching them grow up so close makes me happy.
That's because you've built this warmth around them. Our home feels alive.
And you bring calmness. We balance each other.
Just like tea and sugar.
You two are still awake?
Exactly.
Leave it for tomorrow. The house feels full of love tonight. Don't spoil it with chores.
Just cleaning up, Mom.
Wise words again.
I learned them from experience. Life moves fast. You must pause sometimes and just be grateful.
We really are blessed, aren't we?
Absolutely.